for watching our video. Today, we will walk you through properly installing the Whitestone dome glass for your Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. It is an easy process if you follow the instructions carefully, so let's get started. With an alcohol pad. Make sure you get along the edges as well. Now, dry it off with a cleaning cloth. Place your Note 10 in the bottom tray, making sure your speaker is at the top. Here is the adhesive tape to cover the top speaker. Make sure it just covers only the speaker. There is a slit in the middle that fits onto the tray. Place the top tray over the phone. If the absorption pads are not your one to remove any dust. Next, place the position bridge over the phone. Then, grab one of the tubes of LOCA. Twist the colored cap and place it inside the round hole in the position bridge. Then, twist the black cap and allow all the liquid adhesive to pour out from the bottle. Then, remove the bridge. Next, carefully remove the peel-off sheet from the glass by peeling down and place the glass in the tray. Start at the bottom and carefully lean it onto the pin. Important part. Please watch carefully. Carefully tilt the bottom tray by pressing down. Make sure the adhesive reaches to the center of the clue circle, as shown. Make sure that you remove the pin right when the adhesive reaches the bottom of the guided circle, as shown. The glass will drop, allowing the adhesive to spread evenly. Wait 80 seconds for it to completely spread. Once it has completely spread, gently remove the installation guide. Next, place the UV light at the bottom and cure it for 15 seconds. Then, move it to the top and cure it for another 15 seconds. Now, remove the top tray case, adhesive tape, and carefully remove your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus from the bottom tray. Once removed, wipe it down again with a new alcohol pad along the edges. For stage 2, we will finish the curing process by placing the UV light again at the bottom part for 1 minute and then at the top for another minute. Repeat this process and cure for 1 more minute at the bottom and then 1 final minute at the top. Haven't already done so, please delete your existing fingerprints. We recommend you to register the same finger 2 different times at different angles.